Okay, welcome back. So let's continue with our form. So to make it fast, I'm just going to copy one of these and paste it. So let me just paste it here. Okay, paste it again. Don't worry, let me paste. I will now explain. Okay, so virtually we are having the same thing right now. So let's check. Okay, first name, last name, first name again. So now let's just edit that. So in the case of this third one now, let me be putting that there'll be space. Okay, so for this one now that I want to talk about email. So let's just change this help name to email. Okay, so here we can put email address as what we want to appear. Email address. So this is what users will be saying now. So email address, that's that on label. Then is it just normal text? No, we put email there. Inside this type, we let it know that it is email. You're going to see the difference now. Now that we are letting the system to know that this place is actually meant for email, whatever you put here, if it does not have at at Gmail, at Yahoo, at whatever, if it does not have that symbol heart, it will not take it from you because you have let it know that this is for email. Okay, and ID too should be email. Remember, this one must be the same thing with your 4. You can put ordinary or whatever you like there. The name, email address. Okay, place so that we can just see your email address, your email address. Okay, so let's view this now. Okay, fine. So we have email address, then your email address. So you see, it's bringing suggestions of different mail that I have. If I just input anything now without add, let me just leave it this way. I feel like, so let's say there is a submit button here now. It will tell me that I need to put at here, that it is not valid. So it has recognized this place to be email address. So it will only accept anything that looks like email, not just ordinary name now. Okay, let's move to password. So password, anything at all you can put it there. So and display, just write password. Then so inside this type now, you need to let it know that it's password also. So if you don't put it there that it's password, it's going to accept that normal mail. But now that we have put it there that it is password, PSW, just like this, it must not different from your form. Then the name, password. Password, then place so that what you want to show. So let's just write password too. Okay, and let's view it. So let me type something there now and you will see. You see, immediately it is changing to password because I've specified here that it is password. the type. Where is it? Okay, let's say, okay, can you see now? I've tried to do something here so that I've misspelled the password. Then save and refresh. Okay, here now you see that it's not changing again because it does not recognize it as password. So it is the type inside the input that will let the system to understand what you actually want to have there. So whatever you type here now will be changing immediately because it is password. Alright, see you in the next class. Bye.